I bought two servos second hand on eBay, but tested them when they arrived, and one of them has got partially stripped gears. If I put a little bit of resistance on it, you'll see at some point, this is on a servo tester, at some point it'll jump. There we go. It's got stripped gears. The other one of the two seems okay. They're both Multiplex Tiny-S. I bought them actually because one of the ones in my Heron is stripped even worse than this, and I bought two, as one to replace it and one as a spare. But you can see it's pretty bad. There we go.